want justice.
Justice, justice.
We want justice.
Justice, justice.
নাগরিক সুরক্ষা মঞ্চে we want justice.
Justice, justice.
বিশেষ Debbarma যে বুথানের দাঁড়িয়ে আলঙ্গ মাছমদাই।
Machamdai, machamdai.
বিশেষ Debbarma যে মার্ডার খেলে দাঁড়িয়ে আলঙ্গ মাছমদাই।
Machamdai, machamdai.
হাই 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 আমরা বাঙালি হাই হাই দাঁতে থেট
Tono, 26 asrun barini. TIPRA MOTHA ni, anggai jotono no, sini coboni. Hambai tai cibaya peru. Sung tini sini takuk bisis Debbarma Muslimani. Sung tini munggai sung tini protest ready. Sung tini Behalabari go, sung Khlaikha. Khlaikha on bagai sung jotono hambai duo. Sung tini sini o khadunga pandawa. Sung kasih kan ini sini TIPRA hani jotono sini bukung bara sini TIPRA sono sung mesis kahari nama sungguh sung Fireman na jotono sung 1949 salo puro Pakistan sini wansarok dari bukung kolorok bro sini India ha eba TIPRA hawa bro kakya sung apurno borno yatu soka sung musa wansu ya woi sung borno yatu kha je sini TIPRA hawa bro kakai sung sini borok sini TIPRA sorok sung kesep da uno unya sung apa once again woi sung borno sini TIPRA hawa sung borno zagarika tai apa hai ngai sung borno yasma ulo sung hai no hai teu isya 1971 hai no hai teu isya puro Pakistani hanya no sung teu isya yasu suka kintu sung azora hai no hai borno yasma ulo sung tin TIPRA hawa apurbo sung once again je borok hai sung kesep uno ba chinoro ne bung barro sung sini jungal lockdown no sung apno once oi borno sung tha kotor khai sung yaso ke sung borno zagarika kintu sung tini nugo sung tini TIPRA hawa sini bro mizoram ni final borok actually bro mizoram ni ya tin TIPRA hani no borok যখন লুলে খাইবro borok mizoram থাকা থাঙ্গৈ 25-26 বছর পরে হাইনো হাই তিনি সিনি কাঞ্চপুর borok ফাইবিকা mizoram টংনা অসুবিধা ngৈ কিন্তু তিনি borok যখন ফাইকা borok ফাইবro গাগাই সিনি 1949 থেকে 1971 সাল ফাইনাই ওয়ানসারক bukung kolorok borok apno protest kaiga je refugee go back sini riang buruno apa hai hingga kintu sung apno sung tini protest makayo borok bukung bara bukung rok bukung sini bukung bara no Fireman no borok town ni bagai final no borok apno protest makai sung apno wasutai tunggu sini TIPRA hani borok dai sini nagorik surusarok borok apno bongni khadma pandawa borok apa hai prai no borok apa hai khayo je suno borok kebengo tei sung semano sini takuk bisis Debbarma sini nagorik surusani je leader sok borok bahagai butaka sini bisis Debbarma wak tok busama hagai bathala kya sung joton lokana Facebook ko amone bagai sini khaduo sini mokole mukti klayo mokole mukti daga sini thini mokol ko mukti ko sung apa sung wasutai klayo sini TIPRA hani bokong mararok amone to sing sini TIPRA government tei sini central government sung message na bosungo sini bisis Debbarma sung justice ya kai sung sini osobate ba kotro thangnai sung apa hagai sung muthagia sung sini nogo kajun pura poni nagorik surusarok ajaga khaibro borok ni aro CPM tamo BJP tamo Congress borok bebang no thanjaga phayoi sini riang burung no borok protest kaiga je oro toni ya hinai sung apno wasute gleo sini bung barok sini jara TIPRA sarok sung CPM Congress khai tonai ro bebang no sung kopung maklayo borok phaidi sung borok haikira sung thanjaga sini sobo sung juri phaidi sung apno protest kai sung jate justice simana bagai sung jotono koijau hambai.
I'd like to thank all the media person you have attend at this very evening, and I also thanks all the colleagues who had supported in our this evening candid rally as a condemnable brutally being attacked our respected Biswajit Debbarma by Major Convention and Nagorik Surusha Month under their protest relay. He is being brutally attacked. So in this case, we demand from the state government that who is the murderer, who is the culprit, he should be punished, he should be arrested very earliest within 24 hours. Otherwise, we TIPRAsers, we are not going to keep quiet. We are going to open our mouth. We are going to start our rally more strongly. We really condemn who has brutally attacked under the leadership of Major Convention and Nagorik Surusha Month. And we want clear stand from Mr. Pachau. What is his intention? What is his thinking? As a indigenous, as a TIPRA, what is his stand? He should be clear. Otherwise, TIPRA is not going to tolerate what is they have done to our respected GOP employee, Mr. Biswajit Debbarma, and also we totally condemn those Mizo Convention and Nagrik Suraksha months that in Kanchanpur district 144 CRP being imposed. How can they protest in front of SDM office? We cannot tolerate all these things. So Indian government and state government should take serious action against all those leaders. So TIPRA, we want justice very earliest, and who is the culprit? He should be arrested very soon. And this is just starting our release. We are going to start in earlier days more strongly. So state government should take very earliest step to those culprit to arrest. Otherwise, we TIPRA not going to keep quiet. We are going to stand more continuous, more condemnably. So I would like to thank and I would like to request state government and central government too. All those brothers and sisters should be very much earliest to be settled down in TIPRA. So since they have been suffering for 23 years plus, so they have to be settled very earliest. How can you are very eager to accept the Bangladeshis and Indonesia or somewhere from outsider foreigner, and you are not thinking the Indian citizen to accept in our own country? So first of all, kindly think for those Indian citizens, how to settle them. They have been suffering more than 23 years. So they have been stopped 6-7 months back, their ration. 6 to 7 sisters and brothers being died over there. So kindly do arrange very earliest their settlement, and who have given the rights to those Mizo Convention and Nagrik Suraksha months to protest. And Indian government and state government should clear very earliest. So we want justice within very short time, and this is our request and this is our demand. Otherwise, we are going to continue our protest more strongly. Thank you.